Welcome to this session on intercultural communication in hospitality. In today's activities, we'll explore how culture shapes guest communication, in both written and spoken forms. Whether you're responding to a complaint, giving service information, or handling a difficult request, cultural expectations influence tone, directness, and style. Let's begin with our first activity, cultural email complaints. Activity 1. Cultural email complaints. In the hospitality industry, written communication, especially guest complaints, can vary dramatically across cultures. For example, a German guest might be direct and formal. An American might be confident and friendly. A Japanese guest may write in a subtle, indirect tone. A British guest could use polite understatement. An Italian guest may express strong emotion. In this activity, your job is to read, interpret, and respond to 5 guest complaint emails, each representing a different cultural communication style. Step 1. Reading the complaints. You'll receive 5 fictional guest emails. Your task is to read each one carefully. Identify how the tone, structure, and emotional expression differ. Pay attention to clues like formality, clarity, length, and the way dissatisfaction is expressed. Step 2. Group discussion. Who wrote it? In small groups, you'll now discuss which nationality you think wrote each email and why, based on cultural patterns in communication. Remember, Germans may be formal, precise, and focused on facts. Americans may sound upbeat and action-oriented. Japanese guests may avoid confrontation and prioritize group harmony. British guests often use indirect or polite phrasing. Italians may use expressive, emotional language. There's no absolute right answer. Focus on the reasoning behind your interpretation. Step 3. Writing culturally adapted responses. Now it's time to write replies to the guest complaints. As a group, you'll write 5 short response emails, 1 for each complaint. Each response should be respectful, professional, and culturally adapted. Match the guest's communication style and expectations. Offer clear solutions, empathy, and appropriate language. For example, a German guest expects logic and clarity. A Japanese guest will appreciate humility and subtlety. An American guest might want warmth and enthusiasm. A British guest responds well to politeness and gentle reassurance. An Italian guest may expect passionate concern and empathy. Step 4. Present and reflect. Finally, present your 5 responses to the class. Explain the tone and language you used, how it aligns with the guest's cultural expectations, what would have been ineffective or inappropriate. This reflection is key. It shows how even polite messages can fail if they don't match the guest's cultural norms. By the end of this activity, you'll be more confident in recognizing cultural communication styles, writing guest responses that are culturally appropriate, avoiding missteps that could damage the guest experience,